Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to access Microsoft Teams. So if you do have an Office 365 business account, you can go to office.com and you can sign into your account. Type office.com and click sign in. If you do not see the red button, you can go to the top right corner and click sign into your account. Upon entering this page, key in your username, which is generally your email that's assigned to you, and enter the password. Once both has been entered, you may click sign in. Now you can choose to stay signed in, and this option is available to you, but do remember that if it's a personal computer, it may be alright to stay signed in. But if it's a general computer, we would advise not to stay signed in. Right, this is your Office 365 website. You've got several buttons here to several different applications. And we're going to look for the button for Teams. If you do not see your Teams application here, you may click on the top left corner, the App Launcher, and you may find Teams over here. You can use this App Launcher to navigate to several apps easily. Now, if you do not see the option in either of those places, then either you do not have an Office 365 business account, or your Office 365 administrator has disabled Teams for your organization. You can contact your administrator or your IT department to ask them about that. But of course, I do have the option. So I'm going to click Teams. At this point, you'll probably see a screen suggesting that you download and use Teams desktop application. You can do that, but if you prefer to use Teams in the web browser, you can always choose this option. I will show you the similarities between using the desktop version of Teams and the browser version of Teams. So as you saw, there were two options. I clicked download and the Teams will automatically download. Since I've already installed it, I'll show you what it looks like. Upon clicking Teams, you are now prompted to key in your email address and the password that you keyed in to your browser earlier. I want you to see that the interface is nearly identical between the web version and the full desktop application, so you can really use whichever you prefer. Let's maximize this window, and I want you to take a look around the interface in Teams. Just to get started, the sidebar over here is pretty important. That is where you'll see buttons that will take you to different sections in the Teams interface. We'll spend some time with most of these, but chat Teams and Calendar are where we'll spend the most of our time. Of course, the interface changes with each different section, so we'll tackle each of these as we go through the course. Then on the top right corner of the window is your account menu. You can click on that and it opens up this menu where you have a bunch of options, and this is where you can sign out of your account if you need to. And that a bunch of other settings right here that you can adjust, which we'll cover later in the course as well. So now you should be able to start working with Microsoft Teams, and if you are not able to sign in, you should contact your IT department or your Office 365 administrator.